reset that. Reset that there. Just reset that there. This in and pop in, so it's going to go again. So we're going to change that. So we've turned the water off downstairs at the main. Then we're going to unwire. We're going to unwire this immersion here. Someone's already charged £90, and all they've done was hit the reset, which I could have done, but we're going to change the whole thing because there's obviously a problem with it. So yeah, what we're going to do, change it over. Just going to crack this seal on this immersion, and then just cut that there and there. Yeah, let's mark this here. So when we're trying to loosen that, we know that it's loosening and we're not splitting the tank. So yeah, let's. So we've got our immersion all made up ready. Just wait for the water to drain and then change it over. So drain it out. It's all drained. That's why I needed swapping. Mr. Immersion here. that is sitting up. It's all full. So all that's that. So far that is leak free. So we can start wiring it up. Right, we're all wired up. The tank's nearly full, you can hear the changing noise. That's nearly full, no leaks so far. Make sure this gets warm, and then we're out of here. There you go, the tank is nearly full. So we're all done on this one.